real quick, guys. It's Sunday, so I'm not going to take too much time, but I want to talk to you guys about being motivated and being disciplined. You got to have both, but which one would you prefer? To be motivated or to be disciplined? All right? Which one are you? Are you both or you like where you at with it? Me, I'm both, but I would rather 100% of the time be disciplined. All right? Because when you discipline, that means you doing stuff that you don't want to do, but you're still doing it. Meaning, I don't want to work out, but I'm going to get up and work out. Right? Man, I got sick days. I don't want to go to work, but you still get up and you go to work. You say, man, I'm done getting high. I'm not getting high. I'm gonna save this money that I spent on getting high, and I'm gonna do something, invest with that. You know what I mean? Like, but when you motivated, it's like 1 minute it's like then the next minute it's like uh, you know what I mean? Like something could actually throw your whole day off, and now you're unmotivated. It's just a wrap. Not even motivated no more. You just want to take it in for the day, right? But when you disciplined motherfucker, excuse my language, he is on go no matter what. It doesn't matter. You know what I mean? So that's why I tell guys, listen, and ladies, be disciplined. All right. Motivation, that's cool. That's cool. Be motivated. Be motivated. But make sure you got discipline in there. 90% discipline, 10% motivation, bro. Straight up. I'm telling you. Like it's real. It's real. Discipline will have you saving money. Discipline will have you healthy. You know what I'm saying? What? Discipline to have you all the way in your bag. When you motivated, it's like it's kind of iffy. You're up, then you're down, you're up, then you're down. I don't got time for that. You know what I mean? So listen, guys, ladies, discipline is key right now. Especially in 2024. If you ain't got no discipline, you're gonna find yourself broke on Kensington Avenue. Yup. Right off Lehigh. When you get to the end of Allegheny, I mean, you make that hard right. Yeah, you might as well just hop off at the corner right there. Just straight, make your little right, stop right there and hop out the car. Straight up. All right. So today is Sunday, right? The word for the day is discipline, man. Let's get disciplined, y'all. Let's stop doing all the goofy stuff. Let's get disciplined. All right. You could be motivated. You know what I mean? You could be, hey, another thing, I'm going to speak on guys talk about, man, I just want to be happy. I heard my guy Tate speak on that, yo, and it makes sense. But that's later. Discipline. Discipline. That's what we need because it's Monday. It's gonna be Monday tomorrow. We gotta start the week off right. All right. So we're gonna wake up motivated, but we're gonna rock out all day and be disciplined. So if you want to stop smoking, stop smoking. You want to stop drinking, stop drinking. You want to stop being a whore, stop being a whore. All right, I'm serious, yo. It's all up here. You can't control nothing but this, and this is where the discipline come at. All right.